Are you the one whose YouTube Kid is not working on their mobile? Then this video is for you. Today I will tell you how to fix this problem. So for that you have to open your mobile and go to the mobile screen. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store or the Play Store according to your mobile device. So I am using Android phone. So click on Play Store. Now you have to search YouTube Kids. So type in YouTube Kids. Now tap on it. As you can see that there is an option of open. So now click on that. Now if it is showing as open, whenever it is show an update, you just need to first update your YouTube Kids app. Sometime it happens when there are some bugs fixed by the YouTube Kids team, then issue raises because you don't update the app and it does not allow you to open the YouTube Kids app or run any video on the app. This is the first issue. If you are checking that any update is asking, then first update that. After that, you have to open the YouTube Kids app. Now open the YouTube Kids app. Now it is asking to get started. Now click on that. Now click on the arrow icon. Now click on sign in. So here is my by default email ID fetched. Now click on the sign in. Now click on the arrow again. Now as you can see that these are my already profile which I have created. Now you can open any one of the profile. Now as you can see that in my profile it is opening. If there is issue in still opening your app, then first of all open your profile as you can see in that. Now you have to select any one of the profile. Now click on setting. Now you have to fill the CAPTCHA. Once you fill the CAPTCHA, click on next. Now here are some options like of your account related. Now you have to open your account inside it. Now it will asking for the password. Now enter that password. So I have put it the password. Now click on OK. Now it will automatically get login. Now you have to change the content setting as you can see that. So now you have to click on edit setting. So here are the options which by default you have already selected during the creation of your account of your child. So as you can see that I have selected already the preschool. So now you have to do one thing, you have to just change any one of them. But let me tell you, if you select the last one which is approved content of yourself, it will not allow your child to search anything on your kids app. So if you want to do allow that, then you can select either you have to go back and select any one of them or the one which you have currently by default selected during the creation of the time. So let me select another one. So now click on select. So it's now been selected. So what you have to do now, just go back. Now go back again. Now after that you have to again open the kids app. If it is still opening the YouTube app and allowing you to watch the videos, then comment below that your YouTube Kids app is working or not, or I will make a new video if it is still not resolved. So now do one more thing. Now what you have to do, just again go to your profile. Now go to your parent setting. This one is, now fill the CAPTCHA. Now click on next and you have to go to your use YouTube Kids sign out option. Now you have to click on sign out. Once you click the sign out, it will automatically sign out your all the accounts.
To YouTube Kids.
As you can see that.
Help.
Now just cancel the app. Now you have to do one thing. You have to just delete that app. You just need to press the app. So now you need to tap on uninstall. So it will automatically get installed. Now after that what you have to do, just again click on the Play Store and now again install the YouTube Kids app. Once you click the app, it will automatically fetch the detail and automatically get update. So before proceeding further, I keep posting this video related to YouTube. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more videos. Now open the app. Now you have to open the app again.
Welcome to YouTube Kids.
Now click on get started. Now again click on arrow. Now on that part you don't need to sign in. You have to just skip. Now fill the CAPTCHA again. Now click on arrow. So now by default you have to select any one of the account. So let me select the younger one. Now you have to click on select. Now click on done. Now click on I agree. So now you will by default automatically get signed in without the email ID or account which you have created. So comment me if you are logged in now or your YouTube Kid is working without signing in. So if it is working, then it is fine. If it is not working, then comment below. So these are the steps I have discussed with you. I hope it helps to you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.